The 20th century was lighted by incandescent lamp, which broken the limitation of day and night, while the 21st century will be lighted by LED, which will make the world brighter. Pccooler, providing smart lighting of the city. We are always exploring the future of lighting and enriching ourselves on the way of innovation. From establishment of Shenzhen headquarter to Huizhou plant. Beyond, to keep pace with the world level of technology, we have established a complete R&D system. Every designer is pursuing not only the perfect combination of the environment and the function of products, but also the harmony of art and emotion. Devoting to provide the most appropriate illumination solution for every space. We believe that beyond is not just going further. Instead, broaden the roads which have walked through. Beyond, not only from the wisdom above vision, but also from the processing of all details. With many years of manufacturing experiences, Pccooler controls quality from the beginning to the end to ensure all products are qualified. Every strict inspection process guarantees the quality of each product. Beyond requires us listen more humbly and sincerely to our customers' demands, and promoted more and more cities carry the diversified services which brought by Pccooler. Pccooler achieved great success in many fields, such as municipal lighting, sports lighting, educational lighting, solar lighting, industrial lighting, and civil lighting. At the same time, Pccooler involved in the construction of smart cities and urban visual systems to create a better modern city. Beyond, let's open our arms to the world. Pccooler actively participated in the national One Belt and One Road construction and settled in Belarus's Great Stone to speed up the pace of expanding overseas markets. Beyond, to be great by surpassing others. Pccooler officially listed on GEM board of Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2017. Successfully connect the capital market. In the future, Pccooler will also vigorously expand the business segments of new energy vehicle thermal management and support and esports hardware to provide a more consistent and steady pace to the mission of provide the best lighting and system solutions for global customers. Show the aesthetics between light and city space. Pccooler, devoted to be a world-class industrial design and manufacturing company.